In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a list in your HTML file. Okay, so I'll come back to my atom, and to create a list, I want to let you know two things. We have two types of list in HTML. We have ordered list and unordered list. Now there is also another type of list that is not too popular, and that is description lists, but we are only going to be focusing on the main two, which is the ordered and the unordered list. So the unordered list is the default list, and a lot of people find themselves using the unordered list more than the ordered list, and we are going to be treating the both of them in this video. Now let's create the unordered list, but before we create it, let's get rid of these spaces here. So I'll just get rid of the space there, and here I'll just get rid of these spaces we created, and I'll save it. And just to verify that, I'll go back to my browser and I'll refresh, and you can see we have these spaces here. These spaces have been closed and we've gotten rid of this space as well. Let me come back here. We still have one more. I'll just delete that. I'll save this, come here, and I'll refresh, and you can see we've closed that space. Now let's create the unordered list, and I'll come after the paragraph. I just want to come to the end of this paragraph, press enter to come to the next line, and to create an unordered list, just put in UL. You can see UL for unordered list and press enter, and then you can see this is a container element because it has the opening and the closing tag. Then in between this place, I need to put the LI, which is the list item. So I'll put LI and press enter, and this is where I can now start putting in the items for this list. So I can come here and put something like, let's say, the courses to learn in tech. I can put web design. I'll come here, press enter. I'll put LI. I'll put digital marketing. Come to the end, put LI again, put graphic design. Come here, press enter, put LI, and then I'll write something like data analysis, and then I'll just save it, Ctrl S. And when I come to my browser and I refresh, you can see we have this list here with bullet points because this is the unordered list, so it has bullet points here. And this is how you create an unordered list in HTML. Now if I come back to my code and I want us to create the ordered list, we just need to make use of the OL element, which stands for ordered list. So I'll just come here, press enter, and I'll put OL for ordered list, and I'll press enter, and you can see that it has created the element for me. Then inside here we need to now put the list items. So I'll put LI, press enter, and I will put something like the same thing there, web design. Now there is a shortcut to duplicate a particular line in Atom, and the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+D. Ctrl+Shift+D. So I'll just come here and press Ctrl+Shift+D, and it helps me to duplicate this line. And then what I'll do here, I'll just come and delete all this, and I'll write digital marketing, and then Ctrl+Shift+D. I'll just delete this much, and I'll put graphics design, Ctrl+Shift+D, and then I will put data analysis, and then I'll save it. Now if I come to my browser and I refresh, you can see the ordered list, and you can see it has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the ordered list, and this is the, let me just close this, and this is the unordered list, while this is the ordered list. So this is how you create your list in HTML. All right, so that is it for this video. I will see you in the next video.